In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to click Autofill with Google and hit Passwords. Then tap on one of your passwords and enter your current login method to access Edit button. After tapping on it, change whatever you want to. To save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!